Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can use HDMI port on your MacBook Pro M5. So the HDMI port, which is located on the right edge, it's the closest port to your device's screen. It can be used to connect an external media device, most probably an external monitor. So you just have to get yourself a double-sided HDMI cable like this one and insert it into the HDMI port of your MacBook. Then the other side goes into the external monitor, which I don't have prepared right now. But before you can connect your device with the monitor itself has to be powered too. So if it's a TV, for example, then the TV is most probably powered by being connected to the outlet. So you're gonna have to get a power cable to your external monitor and also connect it to either the outlet or any power source you have around, and then you'll be able to find your external display. If you go to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, open System Settings, and here in System Settings, go to Displays. Now in Displays menu, you will see, apart from your built-in displays, you will see either one or maybe two. If you want to, you can connect two external monitors to your device, yeah, you'll be able to select your external monitor and select the way you want to display it. So it can be either an extension of your built-in display, or it can be a mirroring screen of your built-in display. Now, you can also connect a separate monitor. To do that, you can use any of the Thunderbolt ports. So on the left edge of the laptop, we have two of them right here. And on the right side we also have one, and they are both Thunderbolt 5 or 5th generation, and basically you just have to connect a hub or an HDMI adapter into one of these ports, or a DisplayPort adapter, any kind of adapter basically, and connect a second HDMI or DisplayPort or any other cable into your adapter or a hub, and then connect it the other side of it to your external monitor. And this way you can have up to two external monitors if you are using a MacBook Pro with the default M5 chip. So if you check your MacBook Pro specifications, you will see which kind of chip you have. So in my case, it's the default M5 chip, but there are also two other chips like M5 Pro chip and M5 Max chip. I'm not sure if M5 Ultra is available at the moment. Like, I'm really not sure. Just give me a moment to check. Okay, no idea. No, I didn't find anything. No, I really no. So far, I can only see the Pro and Max. Maybe the Ultra will be released a bit later, but yeah, for the Pro and Max chips, Pro chip can handle up to 3 external displays, and Max chip can handle up to 4 external displays at the same time. Now, as for this one, it can support up to 2 external displays at 6K with 60 Hz on both of them, or 4K with up to 144 Hz refresh rate. And so yeah, that's pretty much how you use your HDMI port and how you add a new one to your laptop, a second one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.